Hi guys, so today I want to go over the Earthworks training simulator install on Windows 11. So let's get right into it and see if I manage to actually run it. So I have this training simulator version 2.4.146. I'm gonna double click the installation file, and it's just going to ask me where do I want it. Yeah, program files, and I want to create the desktop shortcut, so click install. Obviously depending on your computer speed and everything. As you guys know, I have upgraded my computer, so this is the new machine running Windows 11, and that might be the reason this is going a little bit faster than usual. So last time I did this was on Windows 10, but I want to go and try it on Windows 11. So about halfway through in a minute, so that's not bad. Just looks like it's just copying a whole bunch of files. I'm gonna take this moment before we get into extended installs and everything. Don't forget to subscribe and look at all the other videos on our site here. Okay, so seems like we are getting there. And okay, so I'm just gonna hit check mark the launch Earthworks training simulator and hit finish. I'm gonna minimize that. So as you guys can see, we have the view user guide, view Android folder, and view learn resources. Rendering mode windowed, graphics normal, and on cutter. Oh, so you can choose which ones you want. So let's go with the Caterpillar. Okay, so let's just hit none. Resolution. Okay, so run simulator. Let's see what that does. A couple of prompts from Windows, and obviously we have to agree to our user interface. Hit accept. Oh, and here we can choose excavator, dual GNSS. We'll just go begin the simulator. Again, couple of Windows prompts. Allow the access, and here we have the excavator. Ready to demo mode. Okay, if we hit the web interface, it's gonna open let's just do this. It's just gonna open the web interface for the emulator. Now here is a trick. If we go and hit help, oh no, that's just and up top here we have open user guide. This will open our user guide. And in our user guide, I'm just gonna click this F1. Oops, I'm just doing two things at the same. So if you look over here, equipment list, laptop, right? So there is a whole bunch of information, which is great in case you have no idea how to install all this stuff. But at some point, it's gonna show us, okay, so you see the startup thing and everything. And if these are the how to joysticks and all that stuff, action, so it's good to check it out. So complete, beautiful, you see, for the grader, for the dozer, beautiful, demo and other system features. And here we go, troubleshooting. No, what am I looking for? I'm looking for no, it's somewhere in here. Okay, so I must have oh, here it is. Accessing the web interface. No. Because we need that login, and I'm pretty sure that it was somewhere here. Okay, so maybe I can do a web. Go up. Okay, here we go. So on the page 10, installing from the web interface, here is the username and admin, right? So admin is Earthworks #1 and admin. So now we can go here. I'll put in admin, and I'm just gonna, you see Earthworks 1. So login. Don't save. You have to agree. And this is the web interface of the Trimble Earthworks. What does it mean, web interface? Web interface is basically where you set up your machine, all the other stuff, right? How you getting your corrections, measure up, connectivity, right? So where you're getting it through the radio, you're getting it through community connected side, or just a whole bunch of settings. Now the next step over here in the install, you would wanna do is start simulator. Configuring the Android display device. So 2.5 on page 9 is configuring the Android display device, right? So you have to do some different installs, and there we're gonna go to third-party BlueStacks on Android emulator. So we're gonna go, and I believe I downloaded in my downloads BlueStacks, yeah. And don't forget to install BlueStack version 4. So I'm gonna run this, and here we're gonna go. It's gonna download it from the site. So you're gonna have to, again, depending on your speed, this is what you're gonna get. Attention here, if you are running for the business purposes, you should purchase the enterprise BlueStack conversion. And here is BlueStacks version 2.0 later installation. So I don't know where does it say which. It just says 4. Okay, we're at 60%. So once this installs, we can see if it's version 4.2 and later. But definitely don't install version 5 as my previous video, because under 5 it has some issues. So even Trimble recommends BlueStack 4. Might have changed if you have a later version of the simulator. Trimble Earthworks Simulator. If you have a later version than 2.4, just shoot me an email and send it to me. 99%. Okay, so BlueStacks is installing. Let's see if we make it happen. Oh, so it downloaded it now it's installing it, just so you guys know. Again, this depends all on your speed of the computer and the speed of your internet connection. It looks like okay. So BlueStacks is loading. 4.28.4. We'll do it later. So it just gives us a little run through how to do it. Let me do this and put it on the side here a little bit. I mean, too many windows open. And let's go. So we downloaded, we proceed to option machine. So launch the BlueStacks, select My Games tab, which is My Games here. And if installed, remove previous simulator APK. So because we did just a fresh install, we don't have. Do this, blah blah blah. Install machine control plugin APK, launch assistant APK simulator for the Android. So we're gonna install at the right hand side here is install APK, and now we're gonna have to go to machine control plugin. So we installed it under the program on my C program files. I forgot, it's gonna be under Trimble. If you don't remember, we can always come here and go all apps, and here, where is it? Trimble Office, maybe? No. I would like to figure out how to okay, so let's go back out here and click on the icon and hit properties, and this will tell us where it is actually installed. So it's program and Earthworks Simulator. So now we go IPK, see program files, and it's called Earthworks. So it should be up here. I don't see it here. Programs, Earthworks. Open file location. So let's go this way. Okay. Now we have it here. I'm just gonna copy this, put it over here, enter, and we have Android here, and it's saying to do apps, install machine control plugin. So we have to install this. Open, installing. So let's see if this gonna go. Here is another window. App has been installed, so we are good. And then okay, we installed the file APK, click launch assistant icon, the simulator launch assistant start. So I believe we need to install now launch assistant. Okay, open. Oh, you see, and oh, we got a new icon here on the left hand side. So let's run this launch assistant, and like this one. And let's see whether we are lucky enough that it's gonna go. How much should to access photos? Yeah, sure, love. I don't care. Login. And here we go. Look at that. So as you guys can see, don't forget you gotta install the machine control plugin first, then you have to install Launch Assistant, and now we can run them all together. So this one I launched there, and I wanna, how would I, because I have the web interface here. Okay, so let's just make it this way. So I'll put this one up here, and I'll put, where is my BlueStacks? Can I? Oh, it doesn't want to do that for me. Maybe this one? No, that's something else. Okay, so the BlueStacks doesn't really like the Windows thing, but I'm just gonna kind of do it like this. I can start here. See, and so if I were and knew how to move this excavator, see, it's moving exactly. So you get all of them set up properly. So you could probably load in under here, load the design which you have, like specific you want to show, and you can basically run that. So hope you found this informative, and yeah, shoot me an email if you have any questions, and we'll see you next one.